Hello everyone, a hearty welcome to all of you for my presentation on Jasmine. I am Sunidhi Malgotra, student of B.Tech Biotechnology. Firstly, I would like to introduce you to all to our course instructor, Mr. Prashant Bakshi, designated as a professor in Sher Kashmir University of Agricultural Sciences and Technology. I am glad and thankful to him for giving me this opportunity to have a new experience during this lockdown. It's a fun way to get acknowledged and letting you all know about the horticulture crops. Now let's begin with the content which we will study today about jasmine. That is introduction, scientific classification, species, description, distribution and habitat, cultivation, climate and soil, varieties, land preparation and planting, irrigation, manuring, plant protection, season of flowering and harvesting, yield and conclusion. Jasmine. Taxonomic name Jasminum is a genus of shrubs and vines in the olive family Obaceae. It contains around 200 species native to tropical and warm temperate regions of the Eurasia, Australasia, Oceania. Jasmines are widely cultivated for the characteristic fragrance of their flowers. Scientific classification of jasmine. Kingdom is Plantae, order Lamiales, family Oleaceae, tribe Jasminae, genus Jasminum, type species Jasminum officinales. Species. Jasmine have more than 200 species. Some selected species include Jasmine humile, Italian jasmine, Italian yellow jasmine, and princess jasmine. Jasmine mesnehans, Japanese jasmine, primrose jasmine, and yellow jasmine. Jasmine angustifolum, wild. Jasmine auriculatum Well, Indian jasmine, needle-flowered jasmine. Description. Jasmine can be either deciduous or evergreen and can be erect, spreading or climbing shrubs and vines. Their leaves are brown opposite or alternate. They can be simple, trifoliate or pinnate. The flowers are typically around 2.5 cm, that is 0.98 in diameter. They are white or yellow in color, although in rare instances they are slightly reddish. Each flower has about 9 petals, 2 locules, and 1 to 4 ovules. They have 2 stamens with very short filaments. The brackets are linear or ovate. The calyx is bell-shaped. They are usually very fragrant. The fruits of jasmine are berries that turn black when ripe. Distribution and habitat. Jasmine are native to tropical and subtropical regions of Eurasia, Australasia, and Oceania. Although one of the 200 species is native to Europe, their center of diversity is in South Asia and Southeast Asia. A number of jasmine species have become naturalized in Mediterranean Europe. For example, the so-called Spanish was originally from Iran and Western South Asia. Jasminum fluminense, which is sometimes known by the inaccurate name Brazilian jasmine and Gold Coast jasmine, are invasive species in Hawaii and Florida. White jasmine is an invasive weed in Australia. Cultivation. Jasmine is one of the oldest fragrant flowers cultivated by men. The flower is used for various purposes like making garlands, bouquets, decorating hair of women, religious offering, etc. Jasmine is also known as the queen of the night because of its heady fragrance. Climate and soil. Jasmine can be cultivated in a wide range of soils, that is from sandy loam to clay soils. However, it comes up well-drained, rich sandy soils. The ideal condition for successful cultivation are warm summer with ample water supply and sunny days. Varieties. The species-wise recommended varieties are Gondomali, Jasmine sambi, Cowan and Co2 Jasmine auriculatum and Cowan and Co2 Jasmine grandiflorum. Land preparation and planting. 1 or 2 initial plowing are required to remove the weeds present in the land, which is followed by digging of pits at the size of 30 cm. Each pit should be applied 10 kg of farmyard manure, that is the FYM, before filling the pits. Planting should be done during June to November at the spacing 1.5 meter to 1.5 meter. Rooted cuttings are used as planting material. Irrigation. First irrigation should be given immediately after planting and subsequent irrigation at an interval of 7 to 10 days depending upon the weather conditions and soil type. Manuring. It is recommended that each plant should be applied with 10 kg of FYM and 60 gram of nitrogen and 120 gram each of phosphorus and potassium, and they should be applied in 2 split doses, that is one after annual pruning and again during June and July. Plant protection. Pest. Budworm, blossom minge, and red spider mite are the major pests of jasmine. Spraying of monocrotophos 36 WSC at 2 ml per liter is recommended to control budworm and blossom minge. To control red spider mite, spraying of sulfur 50% WP at 2 gram per liter is recommended. Diseases and other pests. Root rot is a major disease attacking the jasmine crop. Nematode infestation is also a problem in this crop. Control measures for nematode: 10 kg of borate granules per plant near root zone and irrigate the plant. And for root rot, drench the soil around the plant with copper oxychloride at 2.5 gram per liter. Season of flowering and harvesting. Flowering commences after 6 months. Fully developed, unopened flower buds should be picked early in the morning, that is, before sunrise. Flowering commences in March to April. Yield. Commercial yields are obtained after 6 months of planting. Yield depends upon the cultural practices followed by the cultivator. During the first year, 750 kg of flowers could be obtained and it increases to 2000 kg in second year, 2500 kg in third year, and 3500 kg per acre from fourth years onwards. The economic life of plant may be taken as 15 years. Now, here are beautiful varieties of jasmine flower which include simple jasmine, trifoliate jasmine, and pinnate jasmine. Jasmine can be used to make hair oil, can be used as car decoration during weddings, etc. Here, finally we came on to the conclusion. Jasmine is most attractive balmy flower. Jasmine blooms in rainy season that have so many uses and socio-cultural value and also economical price. Jasmine cultivation is profitable than other flowers. Thank you very much for sparing your time to watch my video.